We're building something here, a complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you are looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you, because this series is about depth, about understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation, then take you to the intermediate level, and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, stay. Hit that subscribe button. Today is day 14. Let's continue the journey. And welcome back. If you've made it to day 14, you are not just watching the series, you are building a mindset. This channel is not about signals, it's about systems. Today is not about learning something new. It's about connecting everything you've learned so far and turning it into practical thinking. Think of everything we've covered like puzzle pieces. Indicators, risk management, entries, exit psychology. Alone, they mean little. Together, they create a system. Most beginners trade randomly. They see a signal, they enter. But professionals think in frameworks. Every decision has a reason behind it. Let's revisit something simple but powerful: risk to reward. It's not just a ratio. It's a filter. It decides whether a trade is even worth taking. Imagine risking 1 to make 3. Even if you lose multiple trades, one good trade can recover everything. That's the power of structured thinking. Now take that logic and imagine coding it. Your system doesn't feel emotions. It only follows rules. That's the beauty of algorithmic trading. Humans hesitate. Machines execute. Your goal is not to remove yourself completely, but to remove emotional mistakes. This is where backtesting comes in. Before risking real money, you test your idea on past data. You validate your logic. And here's the truth: no system wins all the time. Losses are part of the game. What matters is consistency over time. Practical thinking means reviewing your trades. Why did you enter? Why did you exit? What worked, what didn't? Start thinking like this: condition, confirmation, entry, risk, exit. Every trade should follow a structure. A pilot doesn't guess while flying. He follows a checklist. Your trading system is your checklist. Without it, you're just guessing. This is the shift. From reacting to planning. From guessing to executing. From emotional to systematic. In the coming days, we'll start turning these concepts into actual strategies and then into code. Step by step. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.